Hello, my name is Kadin Poole of JP Specialties, and today we're going to be discussing the usage of our ST-10 Series 2 waterstop welding table. Each ST-10 Series 2 comes with all the tools necessary to adjust or service the table, as well as a set of shims. The table comes with 4 springs pre-installed so that it can weld 50-foot rolls of waterstop. However, if you need less tension, you can always remove a spring. Depending on the waterstop profile you are welding, the table has adjustable clamps to accommodate a 4-inch through a 12-inch waterstop. Each ST-10 Series 2 comes with a full set of standard hex keys, as well as 2 9/16 wrenches. To adjust the clamping position of your table, simply remove the 4 mounting screws. Relocate the clamps to their alternative position and then reinstall the 4 mounting screws. To adjust spring tension, loosen the linear rod from the 2 mounting standoffs. Once it is loose, the linear rod should be able to slide freely back and forth. Slide the rod in either direction until you are able to remove or add a spring. The rack and pinion system the table uses will allow the table to function with any combination of springs, even with only one. Before welding, it is important to set the tension of your clamps. Use the supplied wrenches to loosen the lock nuts on each clamping foot. You may now tighten or loosen the clamping feet by hand until you've reached your desired clamping force. Each piece of waterstop should be tightly clamped beneath the shims and should not be easily moved by hand. Now that the table is fully adjusted, let's weld some waterstop. Open the table by sliding the handle to the left and pushing it up into the lockout position. Now that the table is all locked out, open up all the clamps. Place your waterstop centered over the gap. Ensure that all ribs and other waterstop features are aligned. Next, place your shims and clamp down the waterstop. The clamp should click into position. Once your waterstop is locked into place, reopen the table by sliding the handle to the left and insert your iron into the gap. Once your iron is in place, slowly let go of the handle. The waterstop should not move. If the waterstop is able to move, you must further adjust your clamp tension or spring position. The waterstop will now begin to melt and the table is in tension. Once the waterstop is melted the desired amount, reopen the table and remove your iron. Slowly allow the table to close and push the 2 pieces of waterstop together. Allow the newly combined pieces time to cool. Handle welded sections with care during curing time. Once your pieces are sufficiently cooled, you can reopen the clamps and remove your waterstop. Thank you very much for tuning in. For any questions or anything waterstop related, reach out to the experts at JP Specialties.